morning, everyone. Welcome back to class. Let's get to work and get this next week started. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. The month is April. What is the month? April. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. What's today? Wednesday, April the 8th, 2020. The weather is partly sunny. The temperature is 80 degrees. It is going to be warm. Our life skills. Remember, there's germs everywhere. Wash your hands, use soap, and wait 20 seconds. You should always wash your hands when you go outside, before you go to the restroom, after you go to the restroom, before you eat, and after you eat, or after. Remember to do your exercises every day and stay active. What is one exciting thing you are looking forward for summer? Well, I'm looking forward to going to the beach and spending time with my stepkids and just doing a lot of fun stuff. Maybe go run in the park, go play in the park, to the water park, New Braunfels, San Antonio. Maybe do a lot of things, travel. So for today's agenda, guys, I want you to make sure that you're looking at your schedule and the assignments that are being sent to you through email. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My office hours are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. unless I say otherwise in my email. Have a good day. Let's get this day started.